Hey, welcome to 39 Harned Place here in the Long Hill section of Trumbull. Listen, if you like tranquility, privacy, and woods, well, the Pequannock Valley is right here, 392 private acres that'll never be built on. This house might be for you. Harned Place is very special to me because this is the street where my wife and I bought our first home. You know, it was a 1,200 square foot ranch, 5 rooms, 1 bathroom, 1 car garage, on a third of an acre. I remember promising my wife that one day we'd each have our own bathroom. This room is great. I mean, you know, we're talking about floor to ceiling windows, tremendously sun-filled rooms. And check out this peninsula fireplace. I mean, it's so cool. 3-sided gas fireplace, vaulted ceilings, fans, and you got a door into the sun porch. What an awesome room this is. Wow, what a great sun porch. You know, I'm talking about with some paint and some carpet, lots of windows, bow window. Could be a really nice room to relax in. Great kitchen, lots of cabinet space, good countertop space. What I've seen people do is paint these cabinets white, put some really nice quartz countertops, tile the backsplashes, you know, stainless appliances, tile the floor. My God, it's like a brand new kitchen. So I love the fact that there's not many stairs to get up to the bedroom level. Oak floors throughout this entire house, which is really awesome. Good sized bedrooms. The primary bedroom back here has its own full bath, and there's another full bath that services the other bedrooms too. Great space. So if upstairs wasn't enough space for you, down here might be. This caps off the 2,700 square feet in this house. Half a bathroom, laundry room, 2-car garage, storage area. I'll tell you, this is a tremendous playroom, rec room, office, whatever you want it to be, but it adds some great living space. What a great backyard this is. I mean, look at this nice cement patio. Beautiful green grass, what a nice lawn. And like I was telling you before, that Pequannock Valley, 392 acres, and it starts from Bridgeport and goes all the way up into Newtown, and you can bike and you can walk and you can do some beautiful streams and rivers. It is magnificent. Great place to get some exercise. You know how I feel about exercise. I just had this vision. I'm saying to myself, okay, after a nice big long run in the trails, getting all sweaty, coming home, taking a dip in that in-ground pool back here, it'd be beautiful. It's spectacular. What a great yard. Whew. So thank you so much for coming on this tour of 39 Harned Place here in the Long Hill part of Trumbull. As I said before, it's so conveniently located. The corner deli that has some of the best porchetta sandwiches around is right, I mean, it's a stone's throw away. We're close to everything. Schools, the parks, the shopping, and the highways, very close. Like I said, my first house was on this street. And by the way, now we have 8 bathrooms in our new house. So dreams do come true. Thank you again for coming on this tour. If you want more information, please shoot me a text or call me at 203-209-2529 or email me at j@jcannone.com. Once again, thank you so much for coming on this tour. Thank you and enjoy the rest of your day.